Hey everyone, have you ever felt that buying a TV
AC and dishwasher is
too expensive? That is because these items were in the highest GST slab. But now things are changing. With GST 2.0, the government of India has brought a major reform. Earlier, many electronics were taxed at 28%. That means almost one third of what you paid was just tax. Under GST 2.0, many of these items have shifted to 18%, and that small change makes a huge difference. Now, let's take a closer look which electronics are getting cheaper under GST 2.0. Bigger televisions above 32 inches were once heavily taxed at 28%, but now they have been moved to 18%. A smaller TV were already in 18% slab, so there is no change in GST rate of smaller TVs. But as far rate cut on bigger TVs are concerned, it will make big screen entertainment affordable for many families. And what about air conditioner? It was always expensive thanks to the 28% tax. Now, under GST 2.0, ACs have come down to 18%. Cooling your home in summer is not just for wealthy anymore. It is within the reach of middle class families as well. Dishwashers were almost out of reach simply because of high tax, but now GST 2.0 bring them to 18%. Finally, working family can see them as practical and time saving kitchen helper instead of luxury. Monitors and projector, essential for education and offices, also suffered under GST. But with GST 2.0, they dropped to 18%. School, students, businesses can now afford technology without stretching their budget. And what about mobiles and laptops? Well, there is no change in rate of mobile phone and laptop under GST 2.0. They were already at 18% and they stay there. So, who really wins from all this? The truth is everyone. Consumers save money and buy more. Shopkeepers enjoy faster sales. Manufacturers ramp up production and the economy grows stronger as the technology spreads to every corner of India. In the end, GST 2.0 rate cut on electronics is more than just a tax change. It is a push for progress. Affordable electronic mean better education, faster digital adoption, a smarter home, and more productive business.